Hi, and welcome to 2023. Some months ago, that was September 2022, I uploaded a video, Woocommerce direct bank transfer autocomplete payment problem. Though the video worked for some people, while some are complaining the video did not work for them. This particular video are for people my previous video did not work for. It's going to be short and straight to the point. What you have to do now is to log into your website backend. Once you log in, you look for Tutor Elements Pro. Once you place your mouse on it, you're going to see some submenu. Scroll down to settings and click on it. All right, let's go. You allow the setting page to load. Once the page is downloading, you look and locate for monetization. Click on it. All right. Under the monetization page, you are going to see this option, automatically complete WooCommerce order. So this is where this problem is coming from. This is the cause of this problem. Okay, you see the description under it. If this option is enabled, in the case of courses, WooCommerce order will get the completed status. So what this means is, if you are selling a course and any student that choose to pay you via direct bank transfer, once they choose it, if this option is activated, as you can see now, with this blue color here, is activated. So any student that choose to pay via the direct bank transfer payment method, their order will be completed instead of their order to be on hold, so that you can confirm if they have made payments to your bank accounts or not. And if your website is automated, your website will assign the cost for them without you getting payment. Okay, so this happened to me, so I've gone through it and I've found a solution to it. So what you have to do now is to deactivate it by clicking on it. Click on it, deactivate it, and click on save changes. All right, success. Once you deactivate it, that is the end of the problem. You will no longer encounter such problem again. So as from now on, any student that order for your course, their payment will be on hold until you confirm their payment. Once you confirm their payments, so you change the status from hold to completed, and they'll be automatically assigned a course. So let's test this out, if it work or not. So let me go to my opt-in page. Let me fill in my details. Okay, my email. Okay, so get started. All right, so this is my courses page. I click on enroll now. So fill in your details. My details is already pre-filled there. Okay, so the payment method is direct bank transfer. So I'm done. So you click on buy now. All right, so this is the thank you page now. So let's go and confirm if everything we did here works. So you scroll down to your WooCommerce and you click on order. Okay, as you can see now, it works. It works. This is it. My order is on hold. All right, so it works, guys. It works. So this option did not need any external plugin. So what you just have to do is to just disable that option, and once you do that, so that's the end of the problem. So you can sleep, and anybody that make payments, that payment will be on hold. Okay, get it? So that is it. So that is going to be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please, if you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Please, I'm still growing. Help me grow this channel. Subscribe to my channel. Don't just watch the video and move on. Please subscribe. All right, thank you. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye.